is an example of what the neighborhood looks like when we're opening it up. Unplowed roads, piles of snow in the middle of the road. Some of the smaller cars you can barely even see. This is after being plowed through the storm. It's the only thing that allows me to drive through as easily as I am, catch up with where I just got started. Road is now open, not very passable, but it's now open. I'm gonna open it up wider and make room for people to shovel and get themselves out. You gotta look for piles of snow that might have a car underneath. Sometimes you can't tell. Especially the real little cars, you can't even tell. It looks like a pile of snow, so you don't dig into a pile of snow.